Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. RVD here, and in this video we'll be doing a C program for finding the surface area and volume of a sphere. In this also we will require the symbolic constant pi. In the previous program that we have done, we had used pi using symbolic constant by method 1, that is const keyword. In the previous video, if you have seen, we had discussed about the concept of preprocessor directives, and we had seen the second method for creating constants, and that is using hash define. So I'll be starting this with the old method of const. It'll work, and then I'll change it to hash define. So again, along with the program, parallelly we'll be learning how to use hash define or a macro in our program. Okay, so we want again the input as radius, so float rad. Along with that, we require variables to store surface area and volume. So let's say SA and BOL. The only input we require from the user is radius. So enter radius of a sphere. Okay, that will be taken by the user, or rather, sorry, that will be given by the user as a floating constant. So, okay, we have kept the variable as rad. Okay, so input is taken. We have radius with us as rad. We'll be applying the formula. Now for surface area, the formula is 4 pi r square. So as I said, currently I'll be going with the old method. So I'll create float pi equal to 3.14, and just to have the effect of constant, I'll be putting const. Obviously it is going to do the work for us. So surface area is 4 pi r square. So rad into rad is still fine. And for volume, you have 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, if at all I write 4 by 3 like this, you remember the temperature conversion program that we had done. 5 by 9 I said would directly give you the answer 0 because of the integer division. Similarly, 4 by 3 pi r cube is going to give you 4 by 3's answer as simply 1 and not 1.33. Now to avoid that, either you write 4.0 divided by 3, so it will get the actual division, or 4 by 3 pi r cube can be considered as 4 pi r cube by 3. So you'll obviously get the effect of actual division, and that's what I'm doing. So 4 pi r cube, pi into r cube, so rad into rad into rad, 4 pi r cube divide by 3. Okay, so I'll be printing the results. Printf, so surface area equal to %.2f. Okay, and that is my SA. Similarly, we can print the volume %.2f, and that's wall. Okay, so that's it. We've got the program. So let us see whether it works properly or not, and then I'll convert that to hash define, and I'll tell you what are we achieving by that as well. Okay, so compile. Yes, it compiles properly. Let us execute. So I'm entering this radius of a sphere as 7. I get some area, I can get some volume. You can very well cross check that by doing it manually, and you'll be able to get the same answers. So it's working. Now what is the problem here? Not a problem as such, but for creating a constant, I am creating a float variable, precisely wasting, I would say, 4 bytes of memory. You know why? Because when I create a variable, I am expecting multiple values, one after the other, to be stored, the variable to change. But here we are creating a variable, we are storing 3.14, and by putting const, we are freezing that value. So unnecessarily we are creating a variable. Secondly, this method obviously of using const is generally possible when we deal with data types. So here we are dealing with float. Sometimes we want a integer constant. We can deal with int. So the better option for that is using macro. So see, what do I do now? I'll be obviously removing this. I can go up. I can add a preprocessor directive hash define. Macro name is pi and the macro body is 3.14. The rest of the program is going to be same. Okay, we can obviously see that by compiling and executing. So compile, it still compiles properly, execute, and you're bound to get the same answers because the effect is same, only the method is different. Here also I cannot try changing the value of pi. I cannot. If at all I do that, it is going to generate error. You can see that it is not allowing. Okay, now the error style is different. L value required as left operand of assignment. You know why? Because that pi will be replaced by 3.14 and it is actually getting generated as 3.14 equal to 0, which is not allowed. In short, we will not be able to change the value of pi anywhere in the program. That is for sure. Okay, so we are getting the effect of constant. It is actually working as a substitutor. You know what macro does? Whenever I had used the macro name as a macro call, it will simply replace that by macro body. So we can obviously have different ways of designing this macro depending on the requirement. Fine. And parallelly, we also had completed calculation of surface area and volume. So again, one more computation based program is completed where we have taken the input, we had applied the formula, and we've got the answer or output which is being displayed. Along with that, we have also used the concept which we have learned in the previous program, that is preprocessor directive. Fine, so that's it in the current program. Thanks a lot and happy learning.